umuntu asafuni akubenzela ukuthi abantu bengasathandi yebo kunjalo nje ngeke nisiphathele izwe nizofa manje ngoba yonke lento lengculazi egcwele iParliament izofa yonke lezi zinto lezi yebo within 10 years from now all of them will be gone nizobe nikuphi nini uzobe nikuphi ngoba okunye kuzaca ngathi iBiltong yami amafinyila uzokhokha ngizwe ngeke mbongolo kodwa
Right, so shalo fathi ngalo sesibona eshasha ukuthi manje vamkhulu oqinisile ngaze ukuthi ukhuluma iqiniso elimsulwa ukuthi ababenza bathi kuzobona eSouth Africa ukuthi zilingangana nento esadinga ulungiswa kuthiwa thina nje wasifundile singama graduate nje kodwa kuthiwa uma sireacha umnyaka ongango 35 asakwazi ukuthi singaqasheka like mancane amathuba aye like amathuba ukuthi siqashele ayehla athi yethi eParliament uthi yabheka ikhehla laphana lilene kushawa umthetho lo muntu like akasena ngisho umqondo ukuthi mhlambe angaba innovative creative like strategic he's way too old she's way too old to be strategic kodwa ibona abantu laba abasiphathele ilizwe futhi ibona abantu abathathela ama decisions about our future so njengoba lamuzo ngeza uthi ngoyiprenda kanjani ifuthi ongeke uzobe uwenda kuyona like it's more like isinikeza umuntu osesivele ose stage banibani yabo wesi first years ukuthi hayi isicela ukuthi usilete yet we know ukuthi lo muntu lekazi abe kule future so I feel like eziningi into ezisadinga ukuthi zilungiswe South Africa bafethu there are a lot of things needed to be fixed because I is not make sure lama khetha lawa lapha yet thina sikasheki uma sesina 35 ibhekiseni lonto ungezwe ngamthathi ngathi akaphilile ibhekiseni lonto